Strengthen your mind and body health at the same time. Welcome to our channel. Whether you're here to take steps towards self-improvement or recharge your motivation, this video will help you unlock the powerful connection between your mind and body. Today, we'll explore how you can improve your mental and physical health simultaneously while building habits that nurture both sides of your well-being. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss content like this. Together, we'll continue striving toward becoming our best selves. Now, let's dive into the exciting journey of strengthening your mind and body. Did you know that your mind and body are deeply connected and influence each other consistently? Think about how exercising for just 20 minutes can instantly boost your mood, or how a calm mind reduces physical tension. Science repeatedly shows us that addressing one side of this equation benefits the other as well. When we move our bodies, it releases endorphins, the feel-good chemicals that make us happier and more optimistic. Similarly, when we work on managing stress and creating a peaceful mindset, our body feels lighter and we experience fewer physical health issues. To truly thrive, we need a holistic approach that encompasses mental and physical well-being. Today's video will give you practical tools to do just that in your daily life. One of the best ways to improve both mind and body health is through mindful movement. This refers to physical activity that not only strengthens your body, but also calms the mind and increases focus. For instance, yoga combines gentle stretches and breathing exercises, making you feel grounded while improving flexibility and strength. It's an excellent way to balance mental clarity and physical fitness. Walking in nature is another simple, transformative practice. Being outside in the fresh air, surrounded by greenery, has profound effects on mental health. It lowers stress hormones and gives your mind a sense of serenity, while also getting your steps in for physical fitness. Not a fan of yoga or walking? No problem. Explore other fun options like dancing, tai chi, or basic stretching. The key is to find an activity you enjoy, something that gets your body moving while allowing your mind to relax and recharge. What we eat doesn't just fuel our bodies, it also has a huge impact on mental well-being. Our brains depend on proper nutrition to function at their best. That's why it's important to focus on foods that nourish both mind and body. For mental clarity, foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, are crucial. For energy and body strength, prioritize protein-packed meals with lean options like eggs, poultry, and plant-based proteins. Add leafy greens, berries, and whole grains for fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Don't forget about hydration. Water is vital for energy, concentration, and even mood regulation. Dehydration often leads to fatigue and irritability, so keep that water bottle handy throughout the day. Nourishing your body with healthy, whole foods doesn't have to be boring or overwhelming. Try meal prepping, experimenting with spices, and finding easy recipes that work for your schedule. Small changes like these can make a big impact over time. Let's talk about habits, the core of sustainable self-improvement. Building small, consistent habits is often more effective than attempting massive changes overnight. For instance, a great habit for mental well-being is gratitude journaling. Take 5 minutes every morning or evening to jot down 3 things you're grateful for. Over time, this simple practice rewires your brain to focus on positivity and curb negative thoughts. For physical health, start small with activities like stretching for 5 minutes a day. Over time, this can transition into short workouts or longer fitness routines. Remember, it's not about extremes. It's about consistency. Healthy habits compound over time. They become the foundation upon which your stronger mind and body are built. Start small and be patient with yourself. Stress is a normal part of life, but chronic stress can take a toll on both your mental and physical health. It increases the risk of illnesses, clouds your thinking, and leads to symptoms like headaches and muscle tension. So, what can you do to reduce stress effectively? One powerful tool is deep breathing. Just taking a few deep breaths can lower cortisol, the stress hormone, and help you feel calmer within minutes. Meditation is another wonderful stress relief practice. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be complicated. Even 2 minutes of sitting quietly, focusing on your breath, can create a sense of peace. Beyond these techniques, Consider engaging in activities you enjoy, such as painting, gardening, or listening to music. Taking breaks to unplug from your daily pressures can make a world of difference. Remember, stress management is not just a mental tool, it's also crucial for physical health. Less stress means better sleep, lower blood pressure, and more energy to tackle life's challenges. Quality sleep is one of the most underrated aspects of self-improvement. Without proper rest, neither your mind nor your body can function at full capacity. Sleep is when your body repairs itself. It's also when your brain processes emotions and consolidates memories. Sleep deprivation, on the other hand, leads to irritability, reduced focus, and even physical fatigue. To improve your sleep, establish a good bedtime routine. Turn off screens at least 30 minutes before sleeping to reduce blue light exposure. Use that time instead to read, meditate, or write in a journal to wind down. Another key tip is to maintain consistent sleep and wake times, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Sleep is non-negotiable for better overall well-being, so make it a priority. Now that we've covered the foundations of strengthening your mind and body, let's talk about how you can start putting these tips into action right now. First, decide on one area to focus on for the week. Maybe you'll begin with mindful movement, adding a short walk or stretch session to your routine. Or perhaps your starting point is improving nutrition by introducing more vegetables or drinking more water daily. Next, set small, achievable goals. For example, commit to 10 minutes of activity or preparing at least one healthy meal this week. Remember, small steps lead to big changes over time. Finally, track your progress and celebrate your wins. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. By consistently building on these steps, you're creating a lifestyle that supports both your mental and physical health. Strengthening your mind and body doesn't have to be complicated. It's about focusing on small, intentional changes that create balance and well-being over time. Whether it's mindful movement, better nutrition, reducing stress, or improving sleep, every effort you make counts. Believe in your ability to improve and know that you are capable of creating a healthier, happier life. You have the tools. Now take the first step. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little extra motivation. Let's grow this amazing community of self-improvement fans and support each other on this journey of becoming stronger in both mind and body. Thank you for tuning in. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.